Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to download and install WhatsApp mobile app. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. If you are in Android, just go to Play Store, and here on Play Store just wait a bit until this load, and let's go to search, and then let's go to right here WhatsApp. Okay, so just write WhatsApp, and here on WhatsApp just select the app that you prefer. In this case is WhatsApp Messenger. As you can see, I already have on my phone, but if you don't have, you will appear install it, like for example this app that I have here, and you can see that it says install. In the same way will appear WhatsApp, so only click on install, and when you install it, well, you can download and open the app without any problem. As you can see here, I open the app, and now you can use on your mobile phone without any problem. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.